What you put in is going to be what you get out. What am I going to do with you, huh? This is my old lady. She can be very demanding. Part of what I love about cats in particular is that they become what you give them. If you are extremely affectionate with a cat, 9 times out of 10, it's going to learn to be affectionate back. If you are standoffish with it, it's going to do the same. Your art is so the same way. What you put in is going to be what you get out. Now, I say this with the caveat. If you are coming out of block, if you are coming out of being stuck, it's not going to quite work that way. But that's because you're trying to jumpstart a cold engine. It's not the same thing as figuring out how to steer. Getting out of block is different. That's going to take a whole lot of effort for initially not a lot of payout, though it does pay out in time. But when you have developed that habit, that creative habit where you are writing, drawing, making something new all the time, well, then what you put into it, thank you, Bit, does have a lot to do with what comes out. I'm talking about the effort. I'm talking about the concentration. To just sort of write off the seat of your pants and play and sort of try to do what feels good is absolutely fine. But you will be better if you learn about story types and character archetypes and why certain things land and other ones don't. Those are tools. Those are just tools in your toolbox. They don't get in the way of your instinct. They don't stifle you. They don't chain you. But it does take effort to learn them. You have to go out of your way to learn them. You're not going to just pick that up by watching the news. What you put in determines what you get out. After you have gotten free of block and you have that daily creative habit, start to really think about smart creation. Start to think about how to best use your effort. It's not just trying hard, it's trying smart, learning shortcuts, learning techniques. You can do this. Just go to YouTube. There is so much fantastic free information out there from people who, like you, had to figure it out and want to share the good news. And of course, you can always reach out to other creatives and ask. That's sometimes the best way to do it. Reach out to somebody and say, how did you make that color gradation so smooth? It's beautiful. Creatives love to share stuff. We're a pretty fun community. That also means when somebody comes to you, be generous with your knowledge. Share what you have to give, because what you put in determines what you get out. Speaking of effort, have you made anything today? It's not too late. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.